The Philmac UltraPHIL float valve is a premium, high-performance float valve suited to a wide range of plumbing, industrial and agricultural applications. The UltraPHIL float valve is also Watermark approved, making it safe to use for drinking water. For easy installation, Philmac recommends a pair of multi-grips, an adjustable spanner, a pair of pliers and a small screwdriver. The UltraPHIL float valve range comes with standard BSP and long parallel thread options. In this installation, we will be using the 1-inch UltraPHIL with a standard BSP thread. Before installing the float valve, run your finger around the thread of the inlet to ensure it is clean and free from debris. You may wish to dry fit the valve before applying thread tape to check the fit and thread alignment. Apply a generous amount of thread tape to the thread in a clockwise direction so the entire thread length is covered. Then fit the valve to the inlet until it is hand tight. Once hand tight, use your multi-grips to nip up the valve by the body and ensure it is in the vertical position. We then want to attach the float. The recommended Philmac float valve for your valve can be found on the side of the packaging and in the Philmac product catalogue. In this case, we are using the recommended Philmac 6-inch cold water float. Once the float is screwed on tight, secure the back nut with your multi-grips or adjustable wrench. Once you are connected to the water supply, fill the trough or tank. You may wish to adjust the water level at which the valve shuts. To do this, shut off the water supply and remove the float valve lever arm by using pliers to close the flared end of the pivot pin and then pull it out. Depending on the length of your float valve arm, you may need to remove the float to safely bend the arm. This can be done over the edge of your trough or with a pair of multi-grips. Once you are happy with your water level, reattach the float if necessary. Insert the lever arm into the float valve and then insert the pivot pin. Don't forget to secure the pivot pin by flaring the end out with a small screwdriver. Your Philmac float valve should now be successfully installed, giving you years of trouble-free use.